Hello from Mobile World Congress. I'm Michelle Donegan, and I'm here with Patrik Rokyta, who's Chief Technology Officer at Titanium. Hello, Patrik.
Hello, Michelle.
Thanks for being here.
Thanks.
So let's start with the topic of cloud native. That's a big transformation for telcos. What are the challenges that they're facing, and how does Titanium help?
So Titanium, which is a spin-off from NetNumber, now a Lumin company, has been actively participating in the early stages of deploying products into cloud-native environments. And one of the initial challenges we have seen was defining the boundaries between the responsibilities of the infrastructure service providers and the product suppliers like us. And once we overcame this challenge, we shifted our focus to leveraging automation, another essential component for managing the vast amount of moving parts that make up a cloud-native solution. And finally, the shift to cloud-native is not only transforming how services are delivered, managed, and experienced, it's also driving a significant cultural change within organizations, requiring new ways of working, increased collaboration between development and operations teams, and greater emphasis on automation and agility. And that's exactly what we achieved.
Signaling and routing play an important role in seamless network performance. What are some of the challenges operators are having, and how does Titanium help with those?
At Titanium, we take pride in our leadership in signaling, routing, and security software and solutions. And what we are good at is enabling operators to centralize network traffic and so enforce signaling, routing, and security policies in one place. Our comprehensive product portfolio spans 2G, 3G, 4G, and now also with the introduction of the service communication proxy, the 5G domain. And in addition, we build customer-defined applications that leverage any industry protocol in addressing customer-specific use cases. So with Titanium signaling routing solutions, the mobile network operators can truly focus on scaling their network rather than continuously reacting to unforeseen issues.
You mentioned security, which is always an issue. What are some of the biggest issues that operators are worried about now, and how is Titanium helping operators stay ahead of threats?
So Titanium has actually a long-standing reputation in signaling security with its security or signaling firewall that is widely deployed across 2G, 3G, and 4G. And Titanium has also been among the first suppliers that deployed the 5G security edge protection proxy in networks and in live networks. And as a result, the Titanium security edge protection proxy now secures the first 5G standalone interconnects worldwide, essentially safeguarding the communication between the mobile network operators and IP internet service providers from fraudulent network access and message content spoofing. And this is particularly critical as the number of 5G SA interconnects is set to grow throughout 2025. So, we not only continuously strengthening our network security, but also increasing efficiency of managing hundreds of 5G standalone interconnects. And this is done not only by automating the certificate lifecycle management, but also using things like automatic SEP discovery, leveraging yet another valuable product out of the Titanium's portfolio, the infrastructure DNS server.
AI and automation are big topics at the show this year. How do you see the opportunity for AI in security and performance?
Yeah, so at Titanium, we focus on three key areas within the signaling, routing, security, where AI can bring value. First, in real-time transaction processing, we inject AI directly into the network function, like the signaling firewall or the security edge protection proxy. And this allows us to stop threats in flight during the transaction, rather than reacting to them after the fact. Second, AI excels at self-organizing networks. So by introducing AI into the routing decisions of the service communication proxy, for example, we can enable faster responses to traffic shifts. And then finally, by incorporating AI into near real-time analytic of the network traffic, We can forecast the traffic volume, traffic shape, and traffic mix. And this allows us not only to detect existing malicious actors, but also to predict potential failures before they occur.
So just your final thoughts on operators and the transformations they're going through from legacy to cloud native. What is your view on the state of the industry today?
So my view is that it's a fact that cloud native has become the preferred deployment model across the telecommunication industry, and many communication service providers have successfully operationalized it at telecom scale. So virtualization was revolutionary 15 years ago, and today it's increasingly seen as a technical debt. Another reality is that operators know that they need to evolve, but they face some real world challenges, or constraints. They have legacy systems, new protocols, and the associated security threats, service monetization, operational complexity, skill gaps. Therefore, as a telecom supplier, our role goes beyond simply selling products and solutions. We are here to help our customers through their cloud-native transformation, and also actively participate in this journey, ensuring that every step they take moves them forward with confidence. Because at the end of the day, the telecommunication industry is not just about infrastructure and network, it's about people and the future of communication.
Patrik, thank you.
My pleasure.